Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, another brand new recipe. It's chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole. This is a dump and mix and bake recipe. Should be fairly easy. So let's get over here and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, this is really an easy recipe to mix up. It's a mix and dump, so excuse me. What I'm starting out here with is 2 cups of instant rice, and to that we are going to add 1 can each of cream of celery, get it all out of there. That's cream of celery, cream of mushroom, clean the can out best I can. Because we want all that yumminess in here. And then 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And then after that, 2 cups of just regular tap water. And then we're going to mix. Get that all mixed up, hopefully. I really need a bigger mixing bowl. I broke my other one, my big one. And I'm stuck with this one. But it is what it is. It'll be alright. Alright, that looks fairly good mixed. Alright, now the recipe called for 3 chicken breasts cubed up. I had some leftover chicken thighs, so I kind of estimated what would be 3, and these were pre-cooked. The recipe didn't say to pre-cook them, it just said chicken breasts. So we're going to add that. Get that mixed in there. And last but not least, a bag of frozen broccoli. This is a 12-ounce bag. Okay, I'm going to call that good enough for right now. We can mix a little better when we put it in our 9x13. So let me grab that pan and we'll get this here in there. Alright y'all, got my pan here. We're just going to coat it with some cooking spray. Get this stuff to try to not stick. And then we're going to try to gently dump this into there without making a huge mess. I'm not knocking the camera off its mount above my head. Get all the goodness out of the bowl. Good enough. Kind of spread it out. Try to get our broccoli evenly dispersed, our chicken evenly dispersed. Okay, looks good to me. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper on top of it. You can add it while you're mixing it, but we're just gonna add it on top. A little bit of seasoned salt. Okay, now we're gonna bake this for an hour at 400. Whoop, sorry. Half a cup of butter. About eight tablespoons. That was the other thing that the recipe called for. So, okay, there we go. There's our eight tablespoons of butter. I said just to put it on top. So that's what we did. So now, bake it 400, about an hour, and check it. We're basically, since my chicken's already cooked, we're just cooking the broccoli and the rice. So yeah, let's get this done. We'll bring it back after it's all baked. All right, y'all. It's been an hour. Got her out of the oven. Let it sit about 15 minutes to cool down and kind of congeal, or thicken up, whatever you want to call it. We got the good china out today, so let's get us a bowl of this and we'll do our taste test here. It smells really, really good. Oh yeah. All the goodies along the edge here. So, all right. There we have it. Look at that. Can you guys dig it? Mmm. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, yeah. So, all right. Let's go have our taste test. All right, y'all. There you have it. Got it all baked up. Time to do our taste test here. So, still a little bit hot, even though it's set for a little while. Y'all, that has a really, really good flavor. I like it. All three of those soups mixed together gives it a really different, Of course, that chicken, it's good and tender because it was already pre-cooked. I'm sure it'd be fine if you just used raw. But yeah, that's pretty good. That's definitely going on repeat. So there you have it. Chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole. The only thing I might add, put some panko on top or something, to give it a little bit of a crust. But over and above that, awesome. So, hope you're all going to try it. Please like, comment, subscribe. And as always, bon appetit.